Hi everyone, our today's topic is circle. So what is the circle? This is the first question of this topic. On the screen you can see the diagram and definition of circle. So a circle is a collection of all the points whose distance from a fixed point is constant. That fixed point is called center and the distance is radius. Now I want to elaborate this concept. As you can see the diagram of circle on the screen, and here this is the center of the circle. This is the center. Now, according to the definition, the circle is the collection of all those points. Collection means here on the boundary, I am taking some points on the screen. So these are some points on the boundary. So the definition says that the distance between these points on the center is constant. For example, if we measure the distance of the center from the boundary, okay, suppose this is 5 centimeter. Again, if we try to measure the distance of the center from another point on the boundary, again it is 5 centimeter. So according to the definition, all these distances are equal. It means we can say that the circle is the collection of all the points which are at fixed distance from a fixed point. So our fixed point is center and this fixed distance is called radius. So this was the circle, and here there are some basic terms related to circle. First is radius. It is a line segment joining the center to the boundary. Okay, so let us take a point. This is the center, and take another point on the boundary. This is the point A, and we can take the center as O, and if we join these points we get radius. So this is a line segment. Line segment means it has a fixed length. So diameter is also related to the radius, as it is written that it is twice the radius. Twice means if we produce the radius in opposite direction, means at the angle of 180 degree. So this is another line segment we got, and it is AB. AB is the diameter. So radius is only OA, and according to the diagram the diameter is AB. Now if the length of the radius is 5 centimeter, we can say that OA is 5, then OB is also 5 centimeter, because both these are the radii of the same circle. So diameter will be, in this case diameter will be twice of the radius. It means 2 multiplied by r, that is 2 multiplied by 5 centimeter, and it is equal to 10 centimeter. So this is a very nice relation between the radius and diameter. Next topic is circumference and area. So circumference is just the perimeter. When we discuss the circle, we call it circumference because it is related to the circle only. So suppose there is a point A. If we take a complete round around this boundary and come back to this point again where you started from, so this length is called the circumference. As we know that the circumference or perimeter is the one complete round around the boundary. The formula for the circumference is 2 pi r. Here pi is an irrational number, that is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14, but these values are only approximation of pi. So the formula of circumference is 2 pi r. Now the formula of area. The formula is pi r square. What is the area? Area is actually the measurement of this region which is bounded by the circle. So the measurement of this region is called area, and the measurement of the boundary is called circumference. This is the basic difference. Now our next topic is sector. So sector means, this is very important topic in the circle. Sector is the region bounded by two radii and an arc. So here the arc is very important part in this definition. Arc means it is a part of circumference. Part of circumference. So to understand this point, I here draw the diagram of the sector. Suppose this is the center O, and these are the two radii. This is radii OA. Suppose and this is radii O. This is the circumference. In black color you can see this is the part of circumference, this is the arc. So the measurement of this region is called the sector. According to the definition, it is the region bounded by two radii and an arc. So it was the basic concept. Okay, thank you.